That normally would look like Bourbon Street on Mardi Gras night at Temple Bar, so that's something to not see anything. And I can't wear green. Even the anchors here said, "You're not wearing green, aren't you, Irish?" Yes, I am, but our screen is green, but my socks are green. They're dark green. They don't have shamrocks, they're magnolias, but still you get the idea. We've got some showers that have been developing primarily out to our west, some heavier rain across the river parishes, a little more out of our viewing area, some heavier downpours developing just to the north of Lutcher and out toward Napoleonville, some showers just to the west of Des Allemands. Looks like those are kind of weakening, and even close by around Kenner, parts of Harahan and on the west bank, we did start to see some showers, actually a fairly decent downpour right in North Kenner on the lakefront out at the airport, and even a couple of little lightning strikes. So you're getting a few little isolated thunderstorms. Otherwise, they've just been some downpours developing up on the North Shore as well and into Mississippi, kind of along I-59 or just to the west of I-59. Some rainfall developing there, which is not a bad thing. We could use the rainfall, and it does help to kind of settle the pollen down. Had a few downpours here and there across the city earlier, and then started to get a bit more active west of the lake. And our model indicating that a lot of that focus should stay off to our west. Not to say we won't see any other rain development, but a lot of those heavier downpours will likely stay off to the west, south of Baton Rouge, and then start wrapping up over the next several hours. And we ought to see most of our rainfall coming to an end through the evening and overnight tonight. That's also where we saw some of our brighter cloud tops, because we did see a decent mix of sun and clouds around the area. And that's what we have outside. Also looking at that shower off in the distance over the lakefront. 80 degrees right now with a dew point of 66, temperatures in the 70s and 80s outside at the moment. And again, with that mix of sun and clouds, we were once again able to get up to 82 degrees for an afternoon high. Dew points are high. As those dew points get close to the temperatures get close to these dew point values overnight, may see some patchy fog through the overnight period, but does look like we're probably going to stay more into the upper 60s through the overnight tonight. Going into the day tomorrow, probably much of the same. I have about a 30% chance for an isolated or spotty shower. Rain chances drop a bit. Still a warm day for the first day of spring on Thursday. Then rain chances increase Friday going into early Saturday as a cold front moves through the area, but don't get too excited. We're not going to see a big drop in our temperatures for this weekend. Very seasonal as we stay in the 70s, back into the 80s by next week.